How to fix the Safari error that says Safari cannot open the page because the address is invalid. So, first, go ahead and open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll down a bit and select VPN and Device Management. If you currently have a VPN turned on, this can sometimes block Safari from loading certain links properly. So, make sure to disconnect or disable the VPN first. After that, go back to the main settings page. Now scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and select Safari. Once you're inside Safari settings, scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Now make sure the time frame is set to All History. Then tap Clear History. This removes broken cache files, old cookies, and website data that may be causing Safari to think that the link is invalid. Next, head back once again to the main settings page. Go back to the top and tap your Apple ID profile. Then choose iCloud. Scroll down until you see iCloud Plus features. If you see private relay and if it's turned on, tap on it and turn it off. So click on private relay and if it's turned on, just tap on that to turn it off. So tap on turn off private relay. Now let's move on to another fix. Go back to settings, tap general, scroll down and choose transfer and reset iPhone. Tap reset, then choose reset network settings. You'll be asked to enter your iPhone passcode. And once confirmed, your Wi Fi, mobile network, and DNS settings will refresh. So after your phone restarts or reconnects, join your Wi Fi network again and test the website in Safari. So go back to Safari and see if the website works again.